Ready to ditch the taxi stand and hail a ride like a pro for the first time? Let's dive into the Uber app. First, you'll need to download the Uber app from your device's app store and create an account once you're in. The first thing you'll see is this main screen. The most important part is the Where To box. This is where you'll tell Uber your destination. Tap on the Where To box. Your keyboard will pop up. Start typing the address or the name of the place you want to go, like a restaurant, a friend's house, or even a landmark. Usually, the app will start suggesting places as you type, making it super quick. Select the correct destination from the list. Next, Uber will show you your current location. As the pickup point, make sure this is accurate. You can tap and drag the pin to fine-tune your exact pickup spot if needed. Now for the exciting part. Uber will show you different ride options available in your area, like Uber X for a standard car or Uber XL for larger groups. You'll see an estimated fare and how long it will take for your driver to arrive. For each option, tap on the option that best suits your needs and budget. Once you've chosen your ride, simply tap the Confirm button. Confirming the ride means you're officially requesting it. After you confirm, the magic happens. The app will show you a map with your driver's car icon moving towards you in real time. You'll also see the driver's name, their car model, and license plate number, so you know exactly who to look for. You can see the driver's estimated time of arrival on the screen if you need to communicate with your driver. There's usually a button to call or message them directly through the app. When you arrive at your destination, the app will notify you your fare will be calculated automatically, and you can then rate your driver. It's that easy to use Uber for the first time.